my beautiful alternator. Alright guys, well today's the day we're gonna go ahead and install the new alternator. We're gonna take the old one out and we're gonna ship it back to Z1, get some money back, install the new one, and we should be good to go. Hopefully I don't have any more electronic issues. Yeah, it has been dying. It's been off for 3 weeks, y'all, and it took me about 3 days to get it to turn on, which I changed the battery already, so I know it's not the battery. The battery is not even 4 months old. So that leaves the beautiful alternator's job. You guys, I've been waiting for my clutch as well, which that arrived, but now I'm waiting for the CSC, which goes in the transmission, and it's out of stock. So yay. So that being said, welcome back. I'm sure to like this video. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Alright guys, got back from the shop, and this is the result of the old alternator in the 370. And I'm gonna tell you right now, that looks really bad. So we're gonna actually ship it out to Z1, and you can tell that this shouldn't be like this compared to the new one. It has like oil in there. Let's see on this side. Yeah. Well guys, I also have bad news. I was supposed to do my clutch right after this, but come to find out, my steering pump is leaking. It's broken. It technically killed my alternator. Alright guys, this is the core paper from Z1. You put this in there, and this is my PO box if you guys want to send your girls something. So here we go, and this is how much I should be getting back. Okay guys, so here is my beautiful clutch. I had to open it, my bad, I'm too excited, because I wanted to see actually the clutch itself and the flywheel and all that good stuff. So this is actually my first time looking at, you know, a clutch setup, because I never had a manual car. This is the disc, which is this right here. So this is the disc, and I did go with road race. There's a performance option, which there's no difference on the pricing, it's the same thing. So I went with road race, and then I did go with the standard full face. I didn't do any upgrades because the upgrades are the CSC elimination kit, which I didn't get because it was out of stock. And then we have this, which is the clutch line. Here we have, which I actually don't know what this is. Is this the flywheel, or is that the other piece? What is this? Hold up. Oh, there we go. VHR. Oh, I didn't even notice. They have their name right there, stamped. That's actually pretty cool. But I mean, it's not like I'm gonna see it. It's gonna go inside the car. And then we have the alignment tool. And then we have the pressure plate, which is red. So that means that if that's the disc, the first box, this is the pressure plate. So that has to be the flywheel, right? They don't have Z1 stamped on here, do they? No, they don't. And I'm missing one more thing. So here we go, guys. So we have the disc, the flywheel, alignment tool, clutch line, and flywheel? Did I just say that right? Wait a minute. Scratch that. We have the clutch line, the alignment tool, the disc, the flywheel, pressure plate, no, pressure plate and flywheel. I don't know, these two right here I'm a little bit okay, anyways, let's just stick with that. So clutch line, alignment tool, disc, pressure plate, flywheel. Let's just stick with that. But yeah, this is what I ordered from Z1. Like I said, this is a road race and standard full face, and also no upgrades whatsoever, because the upgrade is the CSE. Alright guys, so like I said earlier in this video, we did change the alternator, which is, I actually can't see it from here. The way they place this alternator is so retarded. On my Altima, I think it's on this side, it's like right up here, so it's so easy to change. I could have done it myself, but this, you need to lift the Z up, and I don't have the tools to do that. Ain't that some shit? All right, so what happened earlier as well, while they put the car on the lift, they told me that my steering pump is actually ruining the alternator, which I think is right, I think it's over here, if I'm not mistaken. Every time I want to do the clutch, something else comes knocking, and I'm like, great, my clutch is slipping. So that's why I also haven't been able to drive the Z. But I'd rather have a car that's driving great, and I guess kind of ugly from the outside, is whatever, but as long as my car is healthy, that's all that matters. This is good, so we're fine with that. Oh, let's see if we could see it from here. Oh yes, look, the alternator is right there. Dang. See how brand new and nice that looks? And the other one I showed you was really ugly. Like, it had just so much oil. But I kind of see a little bit, just a tiny bit. Can you guys see it? Like right there. I hope that's not oil. Guys, so this is the piece I was talking about earlier, the power steering pump, whatever. I can't think right now. I actually got it off Amazon. It should be the same thing as the shop. The shop was charging me $600 for this part. No thanks. The power steering pressure sensor switch as well from Amazon. This is called the power steering pump right here. Ooh. So it should go like, I think like this, like on the motor. I think it goes like that or something, and the belt goes right here, so it constantly goes around and around. Also from Amazon. I went to AutoZone, guys, to go see how this looks. It's the same thing. Now we have to see how long this is going to last, since it's from Amazon, but I'm actually gonna put the link in the description for the pressure and this pump, so you guys can save your money. All right guys, we got the Z back, and she's actually driving better. I want to see if I actually need to do my clutch right away, because it drives different, so I don't know what happened there. But yeah, and we did the alternator, so we're good so far. And I don't have a check engine light on, so it disappeared. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. Last time I saw it, the fluid was pretty dirty. It's this right here, they flushed and changed. Oh yes, right there. Dang, this thing is hot, but that's what they changed right here. Where is the switch, by the way, to that? Oh, damn, I can't even see it, because I made them change the switch, which I don't know. Where is the switch? Is that me? Is that my car? Or that was there?
No, that was my car.
That's your car.
Yeah.
Okay. Kind of freaked out. This is what I was talking about. This is what they changed. See? Yeah, good thing I did buy this. What? Why does everything have like oil?
Because your car is leaking?
Yeah. Literally everything has oil. Like this? Like
Yeah.
what, oil or?
I bought mine off eBay.
Yo, that's crazy. Is this really supposed to look clean? Like it's not supposed to look like this, or just?
It's supposed to get rusty.
But not like with oil, or?
No.
Not like this?
Oil. Nope. Everything's supposed to look like this.
Oh, like dry and
dry metal.
Clean.
Yep.
So.
It leaks from the back.
Wait, so it's like this, right? Wait.
Yeah.
Right?
Either way, either or. But from your problem, what they're gonna do is just gonna open this and then take out the seal, change the seal, and put it back and sell it again. Refurbished.
True, they could do that. Oh, what did we learn today? We did alternator, the power steering pump, the switch, and we did a flush. So we're good to go. The car is good so far, and I do want to see if the engine light turns on. Did you notice that it's not on? Okay, so it's been off since Saturday, ever since I changed the alternator, but I don't know if it's going to stay off, so we'll see. Maybe it was that the whole time. Imagine it was my alternator, that's why, or like,
Could be.
that's why the light was on.
If you're not getting enough voltage, you can send a pole.
Yeah, because remember my battery light flashed as well. It was so much stuff, guys, going on, but we did that to the battery, so we're good so far. Hopefully there's no engine light on anymore, and take that off. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like it, and I'll catch y'all next time. So next time should be the
To asses. What is the word? Yeah, TEs. Yup, TEs. Thank you.
yeah.
Yo, to asses. Let's play.
Where are you gonna park, or are you just giving him a tour?
I'm just giving him a tour. Look at this fat ass.
Yeah, that's Sammy's doing this on purpose. Look at these little kids. Look, he said rev it. Jeez. Oh, you're so cute and nice.
You gotta do that once in a blue.
Yeah.
Take America to Gap City. Thank you.
Okay, he nod his head.
It's like, oh shit, TEs. $335.
No, he did a face like, bruh. Yeah. Shit, he about got me. Look at his face. No, keep pointing out your car. He said, damn, that shit's slow.
Can't beat it.
I've seen this. Oh yeah. Oh no, I never seen this. Wow, you could park right there.
No, you're not parking.
Wow. Oh yeah, no cap. The sensor cap. I'm gonna show you guys something. So because the Lambos, the McLaren, the Ferraris, whatever, they all parked over here, so we moved. And look at all these people, even back here. It's kind of scared to get out.
I'm not scared. No, I'm scared. I'm scared of you to hit the car.
A little bit too much going on right now.
Yeah, it's like
Manual, so the Sammy doesn't believe in.
You're acting like like a hater. Record.
I am a hater. I hate that 335.
Does it get more attention than your Z?
Yeah, apparently.
It does.
For now. Ooh. Yeah, I think this was the group from last time. Oh, here he goes. I feel like a dick.
It's manual. What you expect?
Bruh.
It's a manual car. Like.
Good picture.
Yeah, that's all I was saying.
Yeah. Someone just took a picture of this.
Gotta see what my family's doing. I might go.
What do you say?
He's got family?